Hi everyone, I am Rupesh Padhyay. Welcome to online class, and today we move to the Civics chapter 1 standard 10 power sharing. In earlier class I have explained about the ethnicity in Sri Lanka and Belgium, the ethnic tension in Sri Lanka and Belgium, and finally the efforts of the government. So you all know that in Belgium, Dutch were in majority. In Sri Lanka, the Sinhala were in majority. Sri Lanka, the government adopted the path of militarism. In Belgium, the government adopted the path of knowing diversity. That means Belgium government provide equality among the all community, while the Sri Lankan government didn't provide any equality or any opportunity to the other communities. So, in earlier class, you have already identified there are diversity in any nation as far as ethnicity is concerned. But what the actions taken by the government, it is very important. But if someone asks you to your own view, explain about the efforts taken by the Belgian government and Sri Lankan government, then you will explain like that. The Belgian government provide arrangements, that means change constitution 4 times. Belgian government know the diversity of the different population, provide equality in central government, form 2 independent states, and in capital Brussels also form a capital government in which Dutch and French were in equal participation. And now there was a community government in which Dutch, French and German equally participated in it and equally enjoy their all rights. But here Sri Lankan government adopted the path of militarism, didn't provide equality, no independent state forms. A struggle turned into violence and it led to the civil war in the nation. And there were too many differences in the ideology of Tamils and Sinhalas, and it had been taken, I think, more than 50 years. Understand? So, 2 topic has completed. Now we move. Why power sharing is desirable? Why power sharing is desirable? Okay, so just you know that desirable, that means what? In your book, there is a car, and car has 2 steering, but generally we have 1 steering car. Then what is the difference between 2 steering and 1 steering? 1 steering, that means what? The person who drives the car is the boss of the car, and according to his or her choice, we just ride on it. But in 2 steering, that means power sharing. What? Both of the ideology will help to run the car, otherwise 2 different ideology, stop to run the car. Similarly in nations, similarly in states, similarly in societies. If each and every person have the same ideology, then there is no difference in the society. But if there is a difference, that means just see the condition of Sri Lanka. Look at here. Now the next topic, we just move to the next topic. Why power sharing is desirable? Your answer is what? Why power sharing is desirable? First, point number first, it could solve the problems of ethnic tension. First of all, it would solve the problem of ethnic tension. Number 2, It reduces the weakness of society and government. If you provide power sharing, that means a strong government, need to be formed. Peace, harmony and cooperation will help to run the government, to provide equality, to provide equal opportunity to the society, and a nation which is follow the entire path of democracy, there is very less margin in any kind of discrimination. Okay. Next point. If we provide power sharing, that means the democracy become more and more powerful and provide the messages to the entire world how democracy provides the real power of the people. In some nations, some of the majority community, like Sinhala in Sri Lanka, try to overlap with the minority, but they didn't know about that. It will ruin the entire society, demolish the entire structure of the society, like Sri Lanka, just same as civil war. Understand? So why power sharing is available? That means power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Democracy, rule of the people, equality of the people, equal opportunity of the people, sharing all the resources toward the people. Understand? So, if you provide power sharing, that means ruler and those who become ruled by someone, just feel the same as a part of nation. That's why power sharing is very, very desirable. Understand? Now the next topic, the two words. What are the two words? Prudential reason and moral reason. Prudential and moral. What moral and what prudential? There is a little bit difference. Okay? We have 2 points. Power sharing is desirable because it reduces the social tension. That is the result. If you provide equality, that is in democracy. So democracy is moral. That means what? Moral is your right. In democracy, each and every community has an equal rights and opportunities. Understand? That is democracy. So democracy, that means your own rights. Moral, that is your own rights. Own rights. Okay? And prudential is the result of moral. Result of moral. Okay? Result. Moral provide real rights. Real right. Vastavik adhikar. And prudential based on moral calculation. Calculation. That means what? What do you think? We should provide equality in the society? Yes, that is moral. So what will happen? Society will never create any tension because each and every has the equal power. That is prudence. Everyone has need and require education. Yes, that is moral. If you provide education each and every community, then what? The society becomes developed, aware, awakened, and superstitions and other evils become vanished in the society. That's the reason. Okay. So prudential based on gain and loss on moral calculation. And moral, that is your own rights, that is your own power. And that's why democracy provides rights and power to the people. And if you provide rights and power, it becomes prudence. That means society becomes peace and harmony. Understand? Moral and prudential reason. Now move to the next topic. Next topic, that means what? In modern democracy, power sharing arrangements in different ways. Power sharing arrangement in different ways. So what are the different ways of power sharing arrangement in modern democracy? Point number one. The answer of this question is point number one. Power is given to different level of the government, different organ of the government, different social group, and power is given to political party, pressure group, and movement. Understand? In modern democracy, power sharing arrangements are: number one, given to different organ of the government. Two, different level of government. Three, different social group in the country. Four, provide different political parties, pressure group, and movements. The answer is completed. And the first point of each topic, okay, is the answer of the questions. But there is another question in this point also. So, point number one, organ of the government. Organ of the government. Point number two, level of the government. Point number two, different social group. Social group. And fourth, provide equality in political party, pressure group, and movements. Understand? Movements. So that's the complete the question, but you need to explain about it. But one by one, I just try to explain it. So first, now you read the chapter, open your page, and in next topic, I will explain later in the video. Thank you.